Hey, so many of you have been asking me how I record my song covers, and today the secret's out. Honestly, it's nothing really fancy, but I'm super excited to show you how I do it all with just using my phone, my earphones, and a little bit of jugaad. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, the equipment. I don't have any fancy setup or a pro leveled gear or a studio setup, but what I do have is my phone and it does wonders. Yeah, it truly does. So I record both my audio and videos on my phone, either using the inbuilt camera or with an app like BandLab when I'm feeling a little fancy. For the audios, I mostly use my earphones mic. Where is it? Let me grab it. Okay, for the audios, I mostly use my earphones mic. Yeah, the tiny mic under your chin, it truly does wonders. Trust me when I say that it's underrated. Sometimes I don't even edit my vocals much, I just keep it raw and simple. And the vibe you get, the fancy and the moody lighting, is all coming from a sunset lamp. Yeah, that thing makes everything 10 times better. I just place it somewhere, creating this. Sorry, I have a garage near my house, that's why all these noises are coming. Please ignore that. Yeah, for the lighting, I use my sunset lamp because that's the only thing I have, or I directly just use the sunlight coming from my window. So, using a sunset lamp just makes it 10 times better. I just place it somewhere so that it creates this really nice, moody, and aesthetic vibe around me. Yeah, it just looks so good. So now when it actually comes to singing along with the tracks, I've got options. So if you have heard most of my song covers, you'll see sometimes it's just live, sometimes it's just karaoke, or sometimes it's directly an instrumental on my background and I'm just singing and vibing to the song. Yeah, for the instrumental, I just go on in my laptop and search the instrumental and play it on my background and I just start jamming to it. The other karaoke thingy, I do it with my Bluetooth speaker. जो तू नहीं तो ऐसा मैं चेहरा कि जिसकी खूबसूरत मान पड़ी वो ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे. So as you guys just saw, this is also one of the ways I love practicing my songs before doing any full take, and yeah, it's so fun. No doubt karaokes are fun. So this is how I just do it. I just plug the mic in. This is a dynamic mic, yeah. It's a unidirectional dynamic mic. I just plug it in and I start jamming to songs. While creating a cover, I do use my instruments as well. I have a ukulele with me. And on some chill day, I just grab my ukulele and just strum it and sing away because it feels really personal and it's one of my favorite ways to cover any song. So I would like to give you guys a few tips if you're also in this journey. So the first step is go and find yourself a quiet corner. It does not have to be soundproof. You just have to try to reduce the outside noise as much as possible. It does not sound good with all the horns, and especially living in city or area which is too noisy, it can be a little frustrating. Second thing is do test runs, like check whether your mic's working correctly and check how it sounds, how your camera angle looks, lighting and everything before doing any full take. And the third is don't overthink. Your voice, your setup, your vibe is just enough. Just start simple. And fourth, light it up. Use any kind of lighting, just have a sunset lamp because it creates a difference. It just changes the whole vibe of your video. Sunlight or a window works as well, so try using it. And now a little personal story. I just started out with what I had with no experience at all in anything can feel overwhelming sometimes, but it's a part of journey and you just learn new things as you go on with it. So I encourage everyone to just keep going and never just give up. I started out just experimenting with what I had. So if you've been waiting for a perfect setup, then this is your sign to just go for it and start simple. And lastly, thank you for always hyping my covers up and being so curious about my recording process. And if you found this helpful in any way, then do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Drop your questions below. I would love to answer them. Maybe share this with someone who is passionate about this as well. Until the next time, keep shining, keep singing. Bye. Take care.